A good part of managing high-level sales is making educated decisions regarding the revenue of your company. In order to allow you to make the most educated decisions using the most relevant data, Pipedrive has created the Revenue Forecast Report, which can be reached via our Report section over here, or from the Forecast view over here. This specific report provides insight into the money that your company should be likely receiving soon. Keep in mind that the data in this report is based off of your expected close dates that you configure in the Forecast view. If you're not sure how the Forecast view works, just check out the link in the video. Now, back to the report. This report is cumulatively calculated by the won and open deals in your account. This should assist you with planning for the incoming revenue and understand throughout the year your increasing revenue. This should also assist you with knowing where you have the ability to improve your company. The won deals in the Revenue Forecast Report are calculated based off of each deal's won date, while the open deals are calculated according to each deal's expected close date. So in case some deals don't have an expected close date, we'll notify you about that here. Over here on the top left, you can adjust the pipeline you look at, the users or teams you're looking at, and the time frame. And last of all, you can also set up a customized dashboard widget that summarizes this report, and even establish revenue goals for you and your team to monitor. Pretty cool, right? So if you're looking to understand how much money comes in throughout the year, this is the place to be.